My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent. Welcome to my YouTube videos. They're short, sweet. They're about 3 minutes long. I've worked thousands of cases. I worked at IRS a decade. Today I want to talk to you about a bank has frozen your bank account. IRS send over a levy. What do you do? The good news is that, by the way, I used to do this for IRS, so I'm really familiar with the process. I can get these levies released really soon. So what happened? IRS sent a bank usually a 656A. That's a notice of levy. It's actually a one-time notice. 668W, which is for wages, a continuous levy. So there's a difference. The 668A has froze that money on your bank account for 21 days. That freeze is only for the date, place, and time of service. So at 2 o'clock, if they receive that money, the money in that account that day is frozen. You can continue to use that bank account and put new money in, but it's only that money frozen. So how do you get it released? That's the big question that you need to know. Well, IRS has to be called, and you got to let them know what you plan to do about the debt. The reason they went ahead and froze the money is you didn't tell them what you wanted to do. You may have ignored notices, or maybe those notices went to the wrong place. Many times they do. IRS doesn't keep track of you the way they think. If you don't let them know you moved, then they're not going to know. So how do you get it released? Well, if you call us, what we do is submit a power of attorney to Internal Revenue Service. We take a 433F financial statement. It's an IRS form. You can download it, irs.gov 433F. That form has to be documented. They're going to want to know your expenses, your pay stubs, and your bank statements to make sure everything makes sense on that form. IRS is going to apply what they call the national standards in your area. They're local and regional to make sure that you usually fit within the criteria they're looking for. And usually cases are closed either by not being put in non-collectible or being put in a payment agreement. You got to be careful doing this yourself because IRS at the end of the day could ask you for more money than you want to pay them, and you don't want to get caught in that trap. So anyway, have any questions, let me know. By the way, this process, we can get that money generally released in 72 hours, but remember you do have 3 weeks, 21 days before the bank has to ship it over. So it's not big of a problem. Don't call us, call whoever you want. Get it done.